Imagine struggling with keys every time you come home, only to find you've left them in your other bag, or even worse, lost them. A fingerprint door lock can eliminate that frustration and provide seamless entry with just a touch. In this video, we'll compare 5 incredible fingerprint door locks available on Amazon in 2026, showcasing their features and benefits. Stay tuned for our top pick, which might just surprise you with its unique functionalities. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. And remember, links in the description for current prices. Veise KS02A Fingerprint Door Lock. The Veise KS02A Fingerprint Door Lock offers a perfect blend of security and convenience for homeowners looking to upgrade their entry systems. It features a rapid fingerprint recognition technology that allows for quick access, ideal for busy families or anyone who frequently juggles bags and kids. One of its standout features is the ability to store up to 100 fingerprints, meaning you can easily add family members or trusted friends. However, while the lock is straightforward to install, some users have noted that the app interface could be more intuitive. Overall, this lock is best for those prioritizing multiple user access and fast entry without the hassle of traditional keys. Eufy Security Smart Lock FamiLock S3 Max. The Eufy Security Smart Lock FamiLock S3 Max is designed for modern homes with a focus on advanced security features. It boasts a sleek design that complements any entryway while providing robust protection against unauthorized access. With its built-in AI technology, it can differentiate between registered users and strangers, ensuring only those with access can enter. Best suited for tech-savvy homeowners, this lock also integrates seamlessly with smart home systems, providing remote access and notifications. A minor drawback is its reliance on Wi-Fi. If your internet goes down, you might face access issues. Nonetheless, its security features and convenience make it a top contender for securing your home. Wyze Auto Lock Bolt V2. The Wyze Auto Lock Bolt V2 is an innovative solution for those who want both convenience and security. Known for its unique auto lock feature, this lock ensures that your door locks itself automatically after a specified time, providing peace of mind for busy individuals who might forget to secure their homes. It allows for fingerprint access and even has a backup keypad for traditional entry, making it perfect for families with varied tech comfort levels. The Wyze app brings added functionality, letting you manage user access remotely. However, some users have reported issues with battery life, so regular checks are recommended. Overall, this lock shines in its ability to enhance home security effortlessly. Fingerprint Door Lock Biometric Door Knob. The Fingerprint Door Lock Biometric Door Knob is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home security with minimal hassle. This product stands out with its user-friendly design that allows for quick installation on most doors. It supports multiple access methods, including fingerprint scanning, a numeric keypad, and mechanical keys, ensuring you're never left without options. Ideal for those who might have visitors or service personnel frequently, this lock can save up to 50 fingerprints. While it offers excellent versatility, its battery life could be a concern for some users, necessitating regular battery checks. Nonetheless, its ease of use makes it a favorite for many households. Smart Fingerprint Doorknob. Topping our list is the Smart Fingerprint Doorknob, a revolutionary device that perfectly combines style with cutting-edge technology. This lock is designed for effortless access. Just a touch will unlock your door, making it a perfect fit for busy lifestyles. Its advanced biometric sensor is highly sensitive and can store up to 200 fingerprints, perfect for large families or shared living spaces. Plus, With a backup key option, you can always ensure access in case of emergencies. One minor downside is its slightly higher price point, but the added security and convenience justify the investment. The smart fingerprint doorknob is ideal for anyone looking to modernize their home without sacrificing security. Thank you for watching our ranking of the top fingerprint door locks for 2026. Whether you're looking for convenience, security, or innovative features, there's a perfect lock for your needs on this list. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices and more details about each product. Your home's security is vital. Make the smart choice today